Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jenny Luco Arts, and thanks for being here. Today we're gonna make two small canvas 8 by 10 inches, and I'm gonna do a pouring cup, and we will start with the white base. Got a cup, and I'm gonna start with the metallic brown, pearl brown, and then bright yellow from now. Okay, this is the Arteza pure amaranth red, and then brilliant red from Artist Loft, white from Liquitex, the yellow ochre shuttle art, and the gold Pebble iridescent gold. And now we're gonna repeat all over again until we got enough painting for this small canvas. Just a little bit. Cannot put a lot because it's gonna look bad. Wasted painting. I'm gonna make it 2 canvases because she wants to put one painting on the side of the other one, but she likes those colors, and I think it's gonna look great. I'm gonna use the same order for the next canvas, so I'm just putting aside everything. All right, you're ready for the next canvas. It's gonna be the same color to don't look different, too different. Of course, the pouring is different every time, but to make like a set of 2 canvases. Sorry guys, because I put the cup on the table, it's kind of hard to see, but you can go back. It's gonna be the same order of the colors that I did in the other canvas. So I'm just put it there because it's harder to remove the lids of my bottles with one hand. So I decided to put it there on the side, but you can go back and check whatever I did last canvas. I just love those colors, and the cells that are open, it's amazing. Let's check. Look at that. It's amazing. I love those colors. Well, one more artwork done. If you like, give your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That's very important for us. And don't forget to touch the bell to see the next video. Have a great night, have a great week, and ciao ciao.